Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We have a gorgeous 1957 Chevy Bel Air here. I mean, I don't need to say it a second time. Look at those colors. I sold this car back in 2005. I just acquired it back from the same family that we sold it to. There's only 2,600 miles on the restoration. We only drove it to and from car shows, kept it in a climate-controlled garage. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the information, look at all the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on all of our cars, including a monthly finance option as well. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, we usually start with the underside. It's a good, solid underside. The braces, the floors, the chassis, the rockers, all that looks to be really good metal. It's driver quality under there. Everything's proper, everything's clean and tidy. It's not polished and glossy. Up front, it looks like a Heights suspension, tubular control arms, coil over adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion steering. In back, it's a 4-link system, has tubular upper and lower control arms. I'm trying to remember what shocks it has. I don't remember. Pictures and description are on the website. Coil over adjustable gas shocks. There you go. I just froze for a second there. So front and back suspension has really been upgraded. They've got it all adjusted to a fantastic stance. Custom fuel tank with an electric pump. It's fuel injected now. It's a Corvette LT1 motor in there. So it's high pressure fuel line. Nice dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers. Goes all the way out the back. And then the two pipes come together with some flared tips in the middle, right below the bumper. Upgraded to disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Look up at the motor. It's nice and clean. Has a high torque starter. It's upgraded with a 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission. So a lot of good components under there to make it a nice handling, riding, driving car. Now, the body, the color, gorgeous. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. And this paint job is over 15, 17 years old now, and it still shows really, really well. So the body itself, this is all straight. This all fits nice. I don't see any issues with the body. Laser beam straight down both sides, down along the bottom. Fits real nice. There's no bubbles or issues. There is a chip here. The roof is straight, no issues. All of this body is fantastic. Body has no issues that I'm seeing. The gaps are nice. It is straight. It is not wavy. I don't see damage. I don't see rust. So the body, in my opinion, is excellent. The paint, again, the color is to die for. It's polished smooth like glass. Has metal flake. It's deep looking too, like you could reach in. But it has a real nice tight little metal flake with a clear coat that's polished like glass. Now the paint is, like I said, it's old. So there's going to be a few minor flaws. Actually, I just found a little row of tiny bubbles right next to the trunk lid. I pointed out that chip on the other side. Relatively speaking, though, it's an outstanding paint job for being that old. I'm looking for flaws in the paint right now. Nothing jumps out at me at all. So the chrome is all sparkling. They replaced everything, the rockets and the emblem. They have billet little bumper tips here, the lenses. All that looks like it's been replaced. I'm still looking for flaws in the paint. Gosh, there's just nothing really worth mentioning. Everything looks great. That chip is the worst flaw in the whole car. Oh, there's a little one up on the trunk too. We must have dropped something right there. And there's just a little spot. You actually have to catch it in the right light. There's some little tiny pimples right here. All this stainless looks like it was buffed and polished because this is all really shiny and nice. It has the little flippers that go down over the window. You can see they work real nicely. It is a genuine V8 Bel Air to begin with. So it has all the Bel Air trim on the side. The panels are beautiful. Blue dot tail lights. This is all shiny and sparkly. Got bumper guards. That's where you put the fuel, for those of you that don't remember that. Look how nice the Bel Air panel is. All polished. Rear window looks new. It's crystal clear. Rocker moldings, mirrors, all of it just sparkling. Beautiful set of Billet Specialty wheels. BF Goodrich tire. It's got a fatter tire in back. They're polished up real nicely. The wipers do work. Actually, I'll verify that. A lot of times guys keep them off because they think they're ugly and put the little cap on there, but we'll try the wipers in a little bit. The windshield looks new. The side glass is smoked glass, so all the glass has been replaced. And when I say new, I mean at the time of restoration, but it still all presents itself really, really nicely. Beautiful interior too, and I want to show you what's under the hood, so let's check it out. All right, we're going to check out the trunk. I also wanted to mention the bumpers. There's something different about this bumper. I don't know if it's off a station wagon or it's just custom, but unique bumper right there. The trunk compartment's been completely boxed and upholstered to match the interior. It has like this stingray type pattern on the red, some nice strips of stainless or aluminum there, but look how nice it's all done. And I'm sure that panel does pop out, and you have storage back there for your cleaning supplies or whatever it may be. But beautiful trunk, even the underside of the trunk lid is upholstered. Yeah, all the glass is smoked. I just rolled up the window over on this side. It's a really nice light tint. Check out the door panels. I just noticed that. That's that Bel Air trim. Matches the exterior. Door panels are all custom made and upholstered. They did a beautiful job. It has billet handles. The dash, all the metal inside is either chrome or repainted. It's a nice, looks like an aluminum instrument bezel. White face gauges. Got 2,611 miles since it's been done. Got a little tachometer up there. Nice billet insert going across the dash. Matching clock. Look down here, the AC vents, the matching kick panels, hidden speakers, custom made center console, B&M ratchet shifter. Got nice AC vents, a stereo. Oh, just a tiny glove box because the air conditioning takes up the room under the dash. The original looking heater controls, but these are electric instead of cables. It's all updated. You got a nice steering wheel on a polished tilt column here. Nice billet pedals. Beautiful carpet with sewn edges and floor mats. Seats are all upholstered real nicely. They're power seat on both sides. At the back seat is all upholstered. A little bit of that Bel Air trim coming into the back here. You got speakers hidden behind the side panels. You got a light at the back of the console and AC vents for people in the back. This is really soft. This is like, I think they call it that ultra leather, like they use in airplanes. And then the headliner is all done to match. Very tastefully done too. This is not outdated. This still looks current. Beautiful. In and out. Whoever did this car had really good taste. The wheels, everything about it. I love it. Smoked glass. So that is a Corvette LT1 fuel-injected motor, aluminum heads, Aluminum valve covers. It's got a set of headers. The firewall is smooth, so it's updated with a modern AC and heat system. Serpentine belt. A giant radiator up front. Keep it running cool. Two electric fans on the back side of it. Yeah, polished brackets, polished compressor and alternator. Modern power steering. This is the reservoir for the power steering. Yeah, power brake system. The firewall and under the hood are painted real slick like the car. Yeah, this is all real nice here. This car just comes across as a high-end build. You can tell they didn't cut corners. Even this rear shelf has some nice chrome trim and design. I rolled the windows up so you can see how that looks. I like the smoked glass. It's really sharp looking. I did just try the wipers though. I did not see them moving, so the wiper motor must not be hooked up. They do have an aftermarket wiper conversion that people usually go to. I assumed maybe it had it, but it does not. But other than that, the car's been through our shop and serviced and ready to rock and roll. A lot of people won't drive these cars in the rain and actually put Rain-X on. That's what a lot of the hot rodders do. Or you can get wipers installed. But anyway, instead of focusing on that, just look at the car. Absolutely stunning. There's other 57s out there. There's not another one of these 57s out there. Gorgeous. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. You can read all the specs. You can talk to the salesman. They'll help you out. They'll help get this financed. They'll help get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.